Are you looking for a wireless headphone that delivers booming bass, a crystal clear mic, and of course, an accurate gaming performance without breaking your bank? Then meet boAt Rockerz 425, one of the best Bluetooth headphones in 2025 with beast mode, NX noise cancellation, and a really good playtime. Well, hello guys, welcome back to the channel. You're watching GetAssist, and let's unbox this beast to check whether it's worth your money or not. So inside this box we got the headset, the headphone here, and apart from it we have this little poly bag of we've got a Type-C charging cable, a sticker from boAt as usual, and what's this? I guess it's the warranty card. Yeah, it's the warranty card. So here's my first impression on this headphone. It has a matte finishing, an active black color with some red highlights, and it has the boAt symbol here on both the sides, and we have cushions which are quite comfortable here on the ear side and on the head side too. If you can see there are cushions here. And talking about its body, it can be better quality of plastic, and this grip of adjusting the headband can be of metal. It will give you a premium look and a much better version of it. Then comes the buttons. We have we have a charging port of C type on the left ear side here, and the buttons are here. There are 3 buttons only, and one, I guess this one is the power button on the right side. Oh, it can be the beast mode, I guess. Let's switch it on and connect with our device. Okay, before connecting it with my smartphone, I would like to mention that it has Bluetooth 5.2 version, and it has dual pairing option that you can connect it with your mobile phone and your laptop too. So it's connected, and before playing the music, it has 3 key features. One, I have told you that it has dual pairing, and the other one is a beast mode, which is for the gamers to give an accurate and clear sound. We'll check that too. And the last one is the NX technology, which is for the noise cancellation purpose for its microphone, so that your voice will be heard clearer and the background noise will be cut out. It has a punchy bass sound, a good treble, and clearer vocals. I really enjoyed using it, and the music test was really good. The person behind the camera to say something, and it was completely noise cancelled, and I was enjoying it. It was not too harsh on my ears, and it was typically the boAt essence. If you are a boAt user, you know what I'm talking about. Okay, talking about the gaming test, the beast mode test. I played BGMI on it and Call of Duty 2, and switched on the beast mode, and it was a really good experience for me, and I've felt the trebles more in the beast mode, and the footsteps and the gunshots were clearer and accurate on time. There were no delays. This one is a really good option for a casual gamer or a mid-level gamer. I was happy with the experience. The mic experience was surprisingly good for me. The noise cancellation was good. Not a really good one, but it was good. In this studio, the AC is on, the fan is on. Still, the noise was cancelled out, and it was a good noise cancellation, and I liked it according to the headphone. It was good. Now let's talk about the battery life. It has a 500 mAh battery, which is good for a headphone, and it gives you a 25-hour playback at 60%. And it has a quick charging option too. When you plug it, it will get you a 10-hour charge for 10 minutes via the C-type charging port, which is quite convenient for all of us nowadays. So it's time for the final verdict of the boAt Rockerz 425 series. So what I found in this one, I've told you earlier in the video that the build quality is not so good and premium, but the comfort, the music, the trebles, the bass was really good, and we had the beast mode in it. It has a longer battery life and C-type port charging. There are many things to say yes to this device, and if your budget is constricted between somewhere around 1100 to 1300 INR and you are not going for the upper range, then this product is really good for you. I'll recommend it. And that's all in this video. If you find this video useful and informative and productive, which is actually, then do hit the like button, comment down your thoughts, and subscribe to our channel for more such unboxing and gadget reviews. And I will meet you in the next one.